C5 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1998 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed actual miles. A little over 64,000 on this one is all. Triple black. Exterior, black top, black interior. Of course, LS1, 5.7 liter underneath the hood. Let's take a look at this front nose cone. That LS1 is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. And as you can see, paint shows well. Now, of course, it's black. It's got a few miles on it, but you can see, nice shine to it. You may find a touch up here or there where maybe a little rock chip was touched up, what have you. Take your time looking through the still pictures on this one, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. Drilled and slotted rotors up front. You can also see a little later model chrome C5 wheel. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Some recent service work done to this car. Did have a fresh oil change and filter done to it, as well as a new alternator and serpentine belt. As you take a look at that passenger side, again, you can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, black leather bucket seats, center console, does have an aftermarket stereo. We'll get around to the driver's side, check it out a little bit closer, start it up, let you hear it run. I'll also put the top up, show you the condition of that. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, we are going to take this car for a drive. Let you see how it goes down the road. Of course, the center dump exhaust, and this particular one has Borla on it. And you can see an aftermarket small rear spoiler. If you like Corvettes, no matter what era, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here, from a C1 up to a C8. And everything in between, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking through the still pictures on this one. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or just having some fun in the summer. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Of course, this car will be equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, and look at the reflection in that black paint. Shows well. And again, you can see driver's side free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Does also have the memory seating, Bose stereo system. Driver's side power seat. Let's take a look at that seat. Actually not in bad shape. Of course, tilt column, cruise control. And then again, the aftermarket stereo does work and is wired with the power antenna. Power antenna is also working. Electronic, dual climate control. There's your exact miles, 64,979. And as you can see, gauge is working. No warning indicators, check engine light, service engine light, anything like that. And you can see stereo system working. I did mention the power antenna was up. You can see a quick peek at that back there. And if we were to power off the stereo, there goes the antenna down. So power antenna also working. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. There's a little rumble coming out of that LS1 with that Borla exhaust on there. Obviously this car sounds good under throttle. Let me go ahead and pop this hood and do this one-handed, I believe. Check out this engine bay. So hood liner, nice and clean. Doesn't look like it's been driven in inclement weather. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Mentioned new alternator and serpentine belt. You can see that. Smooth runner. We'll check those headlights here too in a second. Get a look from the passenger side. Looks like we have a little different air intake, SLP, cold air filter on it, and nose of this car, really nice shape considering black and the year. Alright, let me close this. And let's check out these lights. Looks good. Gears not clicking, everything functioning properly. Alright, so that's headlights, engine bay, gotta hear it run. A couple things left. I'm gonna go ahead and put this top up so we can check out the condition of the convertible top, and also stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take it for a drive. As you can see, manual top, very simple to put up. I believe it took less than a minute. All right, so cloth, fabric, black top. Rolled up the power windows too. See those functions as they should. Nice tight fit. In with the convertible top. Glass rear window. Rear defogger. No rips, tears, holes. Good shape. Need it to keep you dry or out of the sun. It's going to serve the purpose just fine. Side glass, passenger side, looking good. Looking for a C5, here you go, 1998 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Stick around to the very end, we're going to drive this. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. All those still pictures, unique, classiccars.com. Underside, interior, engine bay, top up, top down. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Look forward to hearing from you.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1998 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. We do have the soft top up today right now. This is an automatic on the center console, so it's super easy to drive. AC is blowing cold right now. All our gauges are looking good. Very good acceleration in this Corvette. Along with that, your typical excellent Corvette handling. The leather bucket seats are very comfortable in this car. Our odometer reading only 64,971 miles currently. A nice low mile Corvette. In black. Black inside, black outside, with red accents, looking really good. We have a Sony radio in the dash. Working very well. Excellent braking, as you would expect. This Corvette has a nice rumble to the exhaust, a little bit. A little bit extra, sounds like, with a nice tone. That's how she sounds with the windows up. It's nice and aggressive. Great handling car, of course, like Corvettes are. In very good condition. Take a look at all the pictures of this 98 Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.